Malkin gets it back. Rust camped in front. Cross ice pass. Kessel scores! Rust on the backhand.
Well, right there, Sergei Bobrovsky. He's seen the puck in the corner many times for the Pittsburgh Penguins in this series. He's going to have the puck here behind the net, and it's a 50-50 puck that gets over his stick. He actually didn't have it. He retreats to the front of the net. Here's Malkin. He goes to the corner, and Kessel does not shoot that puck. He throws it in front. Wemberg, the forward, has got Rust tied up, but does not take his stick away. And how about Rust? Benefiting from playing with these two guys.
And the Penguins, Kessel got it to the net real quickly, and a redirection and then a chip shot on Bobrovsky by Bryan Rust. We've seen that before, and we'll see it again. Bryan Rust is just dogged.
Ahead now to Rust, speeding into the Columbus zone. Rust shoots it, save made. Malkin got slashed, and the puck is knocked in by Rust. Another goal, and that happened with Malkin showing the reaction to a slash. Now he's down again, and this is crazy. And Malkin now is really upset. The Penguins have a 3-0 lead, and Malkin is not happy at all.
It's going to be a penalty here, and it's going to go against Anderson, I believe. And I didn't see exactly what he did to Evgeni Malkin, who was down on the ice, but I know it's 3-0 right now. The Penguins are going to be going to the power play in this game.
Columbus, number 34,
has gone all the way Penguins' direction. Bryan Rust is an incredible hockey player, a big-time player. Follow the bouncing puck. Rust does. He squeezes it in against Bobrovsky. Bobrovsky took the initial shot. The bouncing puck came right back to Rust. He was able to get it between the toe and the post. And take a look at the cross-check. And Evgeni Malkin went down and was able to buy another penalty against Anderson and Columbus, who are down 3-0 and now have to kill a penalty.
Get to the front of the net. There's a look at that cross-check as Malkin, the goal's in the net. And you can see where Malkin went, not to celebrate with his teammates. He went right over to Josh Anderson. He received that